the meaning of the great perfections, inconceivable. And then we can to say, inconceivable what? Buddha's mind or something else? Not. We need to turn inward, your own mind. The Tertun Karma Limba says that your mind in the present, vivid lucidity, like kind of penetrated your this mind. This one is that inconceivable. This one you need to strive to make in the manifestation. This your mind. It's not something else. It's yours. Why you say the inconceivable? Because it is inconceivable, because it is the basis of the samsara, basis of the nirvana.